Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Sun and Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords and the Devil, the Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, Four of Swords, and Justice. Okay. Bottom card, Strength card. Oh. So, may mga specific signs tayo dyan ng very strong Leo energy, Capricorn, and Libra. So, tingnan natin. Anong message ng Archangel natin dito? So, mukhang may nagjo-juggling na naman or undecided, di makapili kung nalilito sa mga persons na ito, lalo na at hindi lang yan isa. Ayan, so tingnan natin. Maring two person pero same Leo energy or same sign ng Leo pero magkaibang tao. Kaya we have here two energies ng Leo placement. Wow. Crystal clear intentions by Archangel Michael. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. Ayan. So, tingnan natin sa ating mga signs and symbol card. And meron din tayong dalawang queens. Cup and sword. So, water sign and air sign. So, we have shoes and coins. So, kung dalawa na naman ito, maaaring karmic partner, soulmates, or divine counterpart energy. So, may isa kasi na nagpapanggap lang na kailangan mong kilatisin. Kasi with this energy ng coins, ito ay isang original coin at yung isa ay reflection. So, makikita mo naman kung alin talaga or kailangan mong kilatisin kung alin na nagpapanggap or reflection lang or kung alin ang original coin. Kasi itong original is clear. Itong reflection ay medyo blurred. Ganyan. So, ikaw ang kailangan kumilatis sa mga taong ito para malaman mo kung sino yung iyong divine counterpart. Energy with the shoes. We also have here the ring and traffic lights. Music and shovel. Bottom card is sweet. So, kaya huwag ka magpapadala sa matatamis na salita lang, no? With the sweet, kasi maraming tao, mabulaklak magsalita, pero hindi ganun yung talagang laman ng puso nitong taong to, okay? Kaya huwag ka magpapalin lang sa matatamis na salita lang. So, tingnan natin sa mga tarot messages, oracle cards. I'm honest to you. You excite me. You're my strength. Ang lakas talaga ng Leo placement dito. I'm addicted to you. And Capricorn, ayan. So, mukhang itong dalawang to talagang papakita nila sa'yo na sila karapat dapat. Alam mo, dahil siguro energy din is malapit na ang eleksyon. ganyan. So, parang gano'n. So, kailangan mong kilatisin talaga kung sino 'tong taong pipilian mo. Kasi gano'n din sa pagpili ng boboto mo, kailangan, nakilatis mo mabuti kung sino ba yung tamang tao, 'di ba? So, parang gano'n yung energy natin dito na kasi ang gagawin niyang dalawang 'yan is ila-love bomb ka nila. So, kumbaga ibubuhos nila lahat, atensyon, time, money, gifts, ganyan, name it, lahat. Kaya nilang ibigay 'yan. Pero yung isa sa kanila is hanggang sa una lang gano'n. And yung isa, kahit sagutin mo na siya is gano'n pa rin, consistent pa rin na gagawin 'yon. And then yung isa is itong energy ng coins na fake, is sa una lang siya gano'n, pero once sasagutin mo itong taong 'to, titigil na 'yan sa mga ginagawa niya. Kumbaga doon na lalabas yung tunay na ugali niya. Kaya kailangan mong kilatisin mabuti. Business is business. I have multiple opportunity. Kumbaga sa kanya, ano lang yun business lang yun or kumbaga ginagawa lang niya yun parang promotion, as promotion, ganyan. So, we have here, I'm strong and independent, I want solid foundation. So, ito yung hanapin mo, makapagbigay sa'yo ng solid foundation, hindi liquid foundation. Liquid foundation, makeup yun So, ayan. So, kasi kapag hindi solid ang foundations, guguho agad. Kumbaga, itong isang tao dito is, once na siya yung pinili mo, guguho agad, hindi solid yung foundation. So, yung isa, yun ang piliin mo, which is having this solid foundation, kayang ibigay sa'yo itong solid foundation na to. You're the fairest of them all. Another Libra. So, tingnan pa natin mga messages natin dito. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I want to be more than friends. I know I was a distraction from your pain. It's time for me to heal now. You and I were too young. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I wish I could take back my words. Can't stop thinking about you. Bottom card, it was my fault but I blamed you. Okay? So for some of you, itong isa dito ay maaaring nakilala mo na since childhood, maaaring naging childhood sweetheart or a friend, ganyan, na matagal mo nang kakilala. Okay, so tingnan natin sa blue card. Addiction, so obsess sa'yo. Ayan obsession, obsess. And confessions. So, kuha tayo ng initials. G and Z. UH. VBM. CJ. X and bottom card. Ayan. And then, kuha tayo ng mga keywords natin. General signs and messages. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-explain to. Keywords na lang. We have here, flirtatious. Okay, so yung isa kasi hindi talaga seryoso yan sa buhay lumalandi-landi lang yan Kumbaga panggulo lang siya panggulo. Ayan, we have here August. Logical. Travel. Very loyal. Sweet. Sweet. Dalawa. Hilarious. Crazy for you and beautiful. Fantastic friend. Taurus. Beach and overthinker. So, gusto niya mag-travel din kayo. So, sa beach. Ayan. Sa beach. Future lover, July, intelligent, city, good heart, chaser, national capital region, and the runner. Uy, chaser and runner. Flower farm, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.